metro area. What we know today is the state of Veracruz. The culture that developed this ritual is known as Totonacu or Totonaca. The Totonacu people were mainly farmers, but they were also excellent mathematicians and astronomers. They developed their own calendar, which was based in 13 months of 28 days. That calendar is, until today, more accurate than the one we use now. The reason for this ritual was mainly to please their gods and invoke fertility upon the community so they would have good rain and corn crops. Each one of them points to a cardinal point while they perform the dance. Once they descend, they make 52 laps. Each flyer makes 13 laps. In total, it sums up the 52 weeks of the solar cycle. They are, besides flyers, craftsmen. They handcraft replicas of the original ritual. Is a small toy that you can take with you as a unique and special souvenir. I would like to remind you that the main income of the Pop Harbor Flyers is based on their tips and donations. This is the way they help their communities and support their families. So any donation will be well received and appreciated.
ഒരു 4 പേരും കറങ്ങുന്നതിൻ്റെ സാമ്പിളാണ് അവർ മാജിക് മാൻ കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെ കറങ്ങുന്നതാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. അവർ ആ കയറ് മുഴുവൻ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് വലിച്ചെടുത്തു.